Hey everybody, Dana Shoaf, editor of Civil War Times, back again with Melissa Wynn, director of photography, behind the chilly phone on this chilly day on the Gettysburg battlefield. We have walked just around the loop of Ayers Avenue. Melissa just talked to you about Charles Taylor, Colonel Charles Taylor, and his monument is just to my right or north. Okay? We've walked around, and we are now at the monument to his regiment, the 1st Reserve, the 1st Rifles, or the 13th Pennsylvania Reserves. This was Charles Taylor's regiment. Now, the last time that Melissa and I saw this monument, we were bike riding here along with my wife Heidi, and this monument was covered in scaffolding and tarp because, oh gosh, Melissa, what was the name of the company again?
Northern Stone Carving.
Northern Stone Carving. A man and a woman were up here working on this monument to repair it, okay? And this is the first that we've seen it since it's been repaired. We did an article in the magazine. We interviewed them about their work fixing and preserving monuments on not just Gettysburg, but other Civil War battlefields for the National Park Service. So what they did to this monument is that there was actually a button missing off the front of his coat. And you can see all the buttons now are there. They replaced a button. If you want to drop down here, the hammer of the musket was broken off. And they replaced that. They worked with stone and brought it together really seamlessly. You can't really tell. And if we want to walk around behind here, they also replaced the tip of the bayonet scabbard, which had been broken off. And they did a great job with that. And I like the fact that, you know, it's really well done. The tip would have been brass, and the scabbard itself is leather, and they did a very excellent job with that as well. So it's great to see these. And if you want to come on back around, Melissa. And we can get a nice view of the monument again. Of course, he's got his bucktail and his forage cap and everything because they were known as the Bucktails. But I asked them when they were working here, I said, you know, what is the most common cause of damage to monuments on battlefields? And they said, it's not really vandalism. There can be vandalism, but most often it's tree limbs that are falling onto these monuments and breaking things off, or kids that crawl around and inadvertently snap stuff off. So they said that's the most common reason for monuments to have broken parts on them. So, you know, I like the Park Service so much. Chris Gwynn, who couldn't join us today, but he's been so helpful to us at other broadcasts. You know, you come around and see broken monuments on the battlefields, and it, you know, not what you exactly want to see. But the Park Service is aware of those things, and they just have to take a while to get to have them repaired. And while this team was here, they also repaired some other monuments on the battlefield. So it's just a constant upkeep to keep these things in good repair. So anybody want to say hi from last time or this time, Melissa?
Yeah, we've got Tom Shea. He's from watching today from the coal region of Pennsylvania.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Randy Crane.
Hey, Randy.
Frank Piatek.
Hey, Frank from Newcastle, my hometown.
Sharita Bittekoffer is here.
Hi, Sharita.
We should definitely say hello to Pam Barry as well.
Pam Barry, and I miss saying hello to Chris Tinsel, my good friend. And Chris's mother, Judy, watches these. Judy McMillan, and she's not feeling too well, so I want to say hello to her as well.
Hi, Judy. And Joe Petrilli.
Hey, Joe.
Harry Smeltzer again as well.
Hey, Harry. How you
Eric
doing, man?
Bruce, Robert Weber, Josh Hepler. He said he enjoyed the article in the magazine.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you.
John Barrow's back.
Hey, John.
Rich Condon. Hi, Rich.
Rich, Civil War Pittsburgh. How you doing, man?
Yeah. Michael Wood.
Wait a minute. Rich is in South Carolina, but
Yeah.
he's actually jealous of the snow. He mentioned that. So look at this beautiful battlefield, Rich. See? You may be down where the beaches are, but there's nothing that beats beautiful snow on these battlefields.
Yep.
All right, folks. So we are going to bring you at least one more broadcast. It won't take us too long. So look for us to be back live in just a few minutes. This is Dana Shoaf and Melissa Wynn from Civil War Times Magazine, signing off from the 1st Pennsylvania Rifles 13th Reserves Monument here at Gettysburg Battlefield.